everyone, my name is Kumarman and you are watching my YouTube channel Polity की दुनिया. In this video, I discuss chapter 1 on equality. In this, I discuss understanding equality in India, interesting point and glossaries. What is equality? Equality is a key feature of democracy and influences all aspects of its functioning. Voting in election is one aspect of equality. Equality means what? समानता. समानता किन लोगों की? सारे देशवासियों की. For understanding equality, we have to start with a short story. The story begins with Kanta standing in line to cast her vote. When Kanta looked around herself, she recognized that various people are standing with her, irrespective of their caste, religion, their educational background, their financial background, all are in the same row and they all are casting their votes and each vote has equal value. The place where all adults can vote called universal adult franchise. Factors affecting inequality: religious inequality, caste inequality. Religious inequality means religion based inequalities in society when people from one religion don't allow others to use their rights. Caste inequality, you all are very familiar with this term because these are very common in India. You know, upper class, lower class, and there are many type of classes present in India. So let's begin with case study. In this NCERT book, case study are present. So we have to talk about this. So take a look. This is a story of a famous Dalit writer Om Prakash Valmiki. When he was a child, he faces inequality in his school. His headmaster asked the Om Prakash to sweep the school and playgrounds while the other children in their class were studying. He was not even allowed to get a drink of water. He was also asked to sit away from the others in the class and that too on the floor. He faced such type of problem only because he was a lower caste Dalit. In this case, we see how a student humiliated on the basis of their caste. And now we are moving to a case study 2. This case study is based on religious inequality in our society. This case study took place in one of India's largest cities and is common practice in most parts of the country. It is a story about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had the money and so paying the rent was no problem. They visited an apartment and liked it. But when they decided to take it, and however, when the landlady found out their names, she started making excuses and they finally refused to rent the apartment. And you will surprise that it took a whole month of looking at apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give them a place on rent. Recognizing dignity. Dignity is basically this is a thinking of oneself and other person as a worthy of respect. All people deserve the same respect and dignity, irrespective of their religion, sex, and their financial and educational background. Are you able to recognize film Diwar Singh? Please do comment. Equality in Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Every individual in the country, including male and female persons from all castes, religion, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. This is not to say that inequality ceases to exist. It doesn't. But at least in democratic India, the principle of the equality of all persons is recognized. Provisions of the Indian Constitution recognizing equality. Every person is equal before the law. Every person has to obey the same laws. No discrimination. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or gender. equal access to all public places, such as hotels, shops, markets, etc. Abolition of untouchability. This is the additional data of Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. So, take a look, pause the video and read thoroughly. Again, we are coming to the point provision of the Indian Constitution recognizing equality. Implementation of laws. The government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the Constitution through two ways. First, through laws. Second, through government programs or schemes to help the disadvantaged communities. For example, midday meal scheme. This program had many positive effects. Increased the enrollment and attendance of poor children in the school, reduced caste prejudice. Children of all castes in the school eat this meal together, and at some places, Dalit women have been employed to cook the meal. Reasons for existence of inequality. Slow change of attitude. People refuses to think of them as equal. Establishing equality in a democratic society is a continuous struggle. And now this is the last case study of this chapter. This case study, it is based on a gender-based inequality. Rosa Parks was an African American woman. She refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white man. Her refusal started a huge agitation against the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated and which came to be known as the civil rights movement. From my side, this is your interesting points. So please take a look. These points are very important and it will help you in all exams. So please read it very carefully. Do you know previous what is RAG, what is universal adult franchise, types of RAG? So please read this very carefully. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my video for stay tuned. Midday meal scheme, it's important, when it's started, its first date, these all are very important, so please read it carefully and learn. Nowadays these questions are very relevant to us in exam, so please read it. Nothing is more disgraceful for a brave man than to live life devoid of self-respect, by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This is a very sensible quote. These are the very important glossary. First, universal adult franchise. This is a very important aspect of democratic society. It means that all adults, those who are 18 and above citizens, have the right to vote, irrespective of their social or economic background. Sorry for not giving a space on economics, so please pardon me. These all are very important, so please learn before your exams so you score well. So now thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Polity की दुनिया.